In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to Xero Invoices. By the end, your invoices will carry your brand's logo so they look professional and consistent with the rest of your business materials. Start by signing in to Xero and heading to the home page for your organization. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one and that you have permission to change invoice settings. From the main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for your organization name. That's the company menu. Click it to open the options available for your organization. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage key preferences for your business. Next, open Invoice Settings. This is the hub for how your invoices look and behave, including templates, branding, and of course, the logo. It's a great place to revisit later if you want to fine-tune your layout or other details. Once you're in Invoice Settings, find the option to Upload Logo and click it. A file picker will open so you can select the image from your computer. For best results, use a high-quality PNG or JPG. A PNG with a transparent background often looks the cleanest against different template colors. Aim for a clear, reasonably high resolution so the logo stays crisp when printed or viewed on larger screens. If your file is tiny or heavily compressed, it can appear blurry on the invoice. A square or horizontal version typically fits well. Avoid extremely tall, narrow images that can crowd the header. After you select the file, confirm the upload and give Xero a moment to process it. When it's done, your logo is associated with your invoice templates. If you notice a colored box behind the logo, that usually means your image has a background. Switching to a transparent PNG can fix that. If the logo appears too large or small, try adjusting the dimensions outside Xero and uploading again until it looks right. From now on, new invoices that use your default template will include the logo automatically. If you ever update your branding, you can return to the same invoice settings area and replace the file with a newer version. Keeping your logo consistent across all customer documents helps reinforce your brand and adds polish to every invoice you send. That's all there is to it. You've opened the company menu, gone into Settings, navigated to Invoice Settings, and uploaded your logo. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending out invoices that look as professional as your business.